What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. And before anything, don't forget to smash that like button and that subscribe button, guys. We are growing every single day. I'm gonna keep on repeating it until we get to 1,000+ subs, yo. That's the goal for 2020. It's just to hit 1,000 subs. So you already know what you gotta do. You gotta smash that like button, you gotta hit that subscribe button, and tell a friend, yo, to like and subscribe as well. So today, like remember last video when the battery was dead, basically, right? How my AC was acting up. So today I'm gonna take it to my uncle and I'm gonna see what he tells me, because it's getting too hot for this. Right now it's 76 outside and I got no AC and my windows is up because you know, I don't really like people looking at me, yo. I like to drive and be low key. That's why I'm all tinted out. But let's see what's up, let's see what happens. Cause yo, please God, don't let it be nothing crazy, because I'm not trying to spend too much money. I got other bigger responsibilities like my clutch and my rack and pinion to fix. But stay tuned, guys. Let's see what's going on. I'll let you know when I'm here and shit. Well, guys, I'm gonna do a little walkover. The car just went to the car wash. I don't know if I'm gonna go today to get the AC fixed or whatever. But damn, son, for what I paid for the car wash, it's really not all that. Only goes, man, you gotta step your game up. Sorry, had to put it out there. Y'all do a great job. Don't get me wrong, but it's not perfect. All right, let's walk over the car. And it's, you know, part of me, it is my fault because I don't wash my car all the time. But as I can see, like, I don't know if y'all can peep that. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. Like, for example, look at my wheels. Like, why is it like that? I don't know. Not too good. See the hood. Then, like, I know I'm outside and stuff, but that was on the car when I got it. You know, I don't know, man. Anybody got a good car wash, you know, send the link my way. And rear bumper, definitely get it replaced. I'm gonna see what's up. Maybe, you know, I did have a subscriber talking about, you know, whatever with the bumper. Maybe let's see if he hits me up like that. If he hits me up, we can get something working. Damn, yo. Like, look at this. Why is this here? Like, this shouldn't be here. If you wash the car, all of that shouldn't be here. Like, look at that. All of that. That was me. One day I had dress shoes on. I couldn't close the door, so I kicked it. And I scratched it like an idiot. The only wheel they actually got kind of clean. But they did take out all the stains to the best of their ability, I guess. So, you know what, I'm thinking I might just get a whole brand new front end. Go all Type S bumpers, Type S headlights, Type S fenders, Type S hood, Type S everything in the front. And if anybody got a pair of Type S side markers for the front and the backs, let me know. Just shoot me a DMs on Instagram. These are even turning like orangey, so might as well change it. Anybody got a Type S bumper, front bumper, anything I just, you know, anything I just said, let me know. We can work something out. And if anybody knows where I could get the sway for the headliner in New York or Jersey, wherever, so I can take off my headliner and do it myself, they comment down below or shoot me a DMs on Instagram again at 6BTL, by the way, guys. Just let me know. I don't know, guys. I'm not too happy, and I don't know if y'all can notice, but look at my hood. It is not perfect, but it's whatever. Well, normally what this video was intended for was the AC, But let's get to it real quick. I don't know, it's so hot that the car's not even reading the temperature. And that's my AC on full blast. And I don't get it because earlier it was on 3 bars and it was working like crazy. Right now it's doing a little bit of justice. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. It's kind of chilly in here. But normally, yo, it be so high in here when the AC be on 1,000. I be getting so tight. Damn, yo, they put this shit on wrong as well. They're gonna mess up my shit, guys. And go in there. There we go. At least the inside is nice and clean. There was like mad chips on the floor and stuff. Oh yeah, and anybody got carpets, let me know. I'll definitely try to take those off you. Like, look at this side. There's no bueno. Like, look at that. That's how I got the car. Just never bothered to change them. And I'm gonna see if I can get like the Type S pedals that are like metal and whatever the case is. Get that out the way. And I do want a Type S steering wheel. You know, hopefully in the future we could get some sponsorships going on. That'd be so lit. But for now, we're just gonna take everything one step at a time. Try to do whatever I can, you know, little by little, guys. And we're just gonna keep on growing as a little family. And I'm so happy with everybody and how everybody is enjoying the videos and everything. But I guess it's gonna be the end of the video. And if I do end up going today to the mechanic shop, I'll just add it somewhere into the video. But for now, that's it. So it's a few days later, guys. I still haven't fixed my AC. I took it to my uncle, but he's been busy, so he hasn't been able to do anything. So he was like, just try to invest some money into it or whatever the case is. So what I'm gonna do right now is, I'm gonna go to AutoZone, buy a cabin air filter, so basically the AC filter, and a Freon. So we're gonna try to refill it a little bit, put some air in there, see what that does, and if not, see if we change the fuses on it and see what happens. So I just went to AutoZone, brought the cabin air filter, NGK spark plugs, and what else did I buy? Oh, a Freon and a coconut spray. That should smell hella good. So got NGK spark plugs. That's for a different video. Got the cabin filter. That's TP, and some AC Pro. First, let's start with the AC cabin. Get that out the way. And please, guys, excuse the mess. And there's my little helper, like always. So first thing you want to do is open the glove box. And then, scoot over, Bella. After that, don't be afraid to let everything drop. You just pull on each side. Comes right down. Oh, this one is different. Oh. You can help me. Basically, get a screwdriver, take these bolts out. Oh, snap. My screwdriver game and recording is not the way. One down, one more to go. Let me kick back to you when I'm finished doing this, guys. Alright, then you just with your screwdriver, just push that one in, and then you push that in, as you can see right there. Push it in, and that clicking noise. Then you took the 2 screws down here off, and then you just pop it out. There's like some clips in the back holding it in. Just pull it out best way as possible. Ooh, don't be afraid to think you're breaking something. You might not. You know, just go with the flow. There we go. Coming off. Off and on. I got a mess, so excuse my mess. And then, as you can see right there, cabin air filters. Well, I'm gonna need to pause it because there's one clip right here. There's another one right here. Gotta put those together and pull it out. So since I'm on one cameraman right now, I needed both hands. This is disgusting. Like, oh my god. Like, look at this, guys. Yo! That was my AC. I would have gave up on me too. Nasty. Babe, look. Disgusting. Let me grab this back. Grab the air filter. Put it in. And put it back. Look at the difference, guys. Black and white. Black and white. Night and day. Alright. Put this in there. And just like that. Then we gotta put everything back exactly how we found it. So now, just put this out the way. Put it in. Give me a second, guys. So I'm looking for the other clip that fell. Oh, here it is. So basically how this works, once you put it back, you just push it, like you open it up, push it down, and it'll go like that. You put it into the hole, and you push it, and that's it. Then you basically get the 2 screws, put it back, and that's it. So I'm do that now. So I'm gonna have to like try my best to do it by hand. And tighten it. This one. And 2. Right. Get my screwdriver back. And go to town. Oh man, go in there. That's done. Then come, push the cups back in. Oh no, man, I did something wrong. My thing don't want to close. Oh, I know what happened. Oops. Let's see now. So I figured out what was wrong. The little light right here was out. So you just pop it back in at the end. Don't forget about that step. Then, ow. Damn it. On one hand, man, it's not the wave. Then it should close, no problem. But then it still feels like something is holding it back. So I don't know, I'm gonna take a quick look again. Take it apart and see what I did wrong. You know, because that's how you guys learn from my mistakes. You guys are about to call me so dumb. I figured out why it wasn't closing all the way. It's because the screwdriver bit stood on the bolt. And now, smoothly. That's what I like to see. Now, let's turn on the car, see if that does any different. And now, let's go to the AC and see how that does. So we're gonna start the car up now. Put the windows up. See if we got any difference. Alright, the AC feels a lot stronger. Oh my god! That did such a difference. So sorry about that, guys. My girlfriend called me. AC is busting. I know y'all can hear all that AC noise. Ooh, follow me on Instagram at 6BTL. You Don't forget to subscribe as well and give the video a like. The car's at 199,581 miles. Soon we'll do a 200,000 mile review video. So there you go. That's something to be looking forward to. And then soon we're gonna do 5 things I hate about my 2012 Acura TL. All right. Should we put some AC free on? Nah, that's gonna be it. I'm just gonna end the video here. If it starts acting up, on the next video I'll let you know. But the AC is busting, guys. Well, guys, it's the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. My cabin filter was disgusting, but it's alright. We got a new one in, and I think I might start changing them every 6 months. And if anybody knows where I could go to buy some fabric, so I could take the headliner off and redo it, and all the pillar liners and all that, like this, take it off, redo it, do it fresh, different color. Comment down below, let me know the shop, or shoot me a DM on Instagram, you know, and I'll go over there, check it out. But damn, I got that AC working on my own, and I'm so glad about that. Now my baby ain't gonna be hot. So guys, please smash that subscribe button. Keep tuned for more banger videos, and we're just gonna keep on going and keep on growing. And my car is filthy once again. And next